guys, it's Amanda, and today I'm coming at you with an everyday makeup tutorial. A few people have asked me to do this video like a while back, but I never got around to it. So it is actually Friday evening, not evening, it's like Friday afternoon, and I have absolutely no plans. I'm probably just going to do my homework and apply for summer internships tonight. Someone please hire me. Yeah, so I'm not going anywhere. This is just my everyday makeup routine, so I'm really doing this for y'all. So yeah, just letting you know. But I'll just get into it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Yeah. I know a lot of people do these like everyday makeup routines in voiceover, but I've never been a huge voiceover person, so I'm just gonna try to do it live action, if you will. So yeah. So first I'm just gonna start off with moisturization. First, I like to moisturize my lips. I use this, and guys, I'll do inserts of all the products that I use because it's kind of hard to get it to focus. So I use a Laneige lip, what is it called? Lip sleeping mask. Yes, it is called a lip sleeping mask, but I honestly call it overpriced Vaseline. This was like $20 and it's the same thing as Vaseline, guys, I swear. Like, I know some people really think it works miracles, but it's kind of like average for me. And then moisturizer, of course, super important. I kind of use whatever moisturizer I have to my name at the moment. I'm not super picky, but I actually really do like the moisturizers from Curology. Okay, next up is face. So I don't always do foundation, but when I do, this is the one that I use. If you guys watch my one other makeup video on this channel, it is the Ordinary foundation. It's like legit $6 and it's super lightweight and easily blendable. Yeah, I really like it. It's not super intense coverage, so if that's what you're looking for, it might not be the right thing for you. But yeah, I just use this. And then I use this beauty sponge. Yes, this is extremely dirty, but I'm sorry, this is my everyday routine, okay? Ooh, yeah, you gotta blend it out up there. I literally don't know if this is just like a me problem, but like my forehead is just like not the same shade as the rest of my face. It's like actually significantly darker. I think it's like natural for your face to be slightly different shades. Like I think it would be more unnatural for your face to be like legit one color. I mean, I don't know, that's what I think. Maybe because that's the way my face is, but yeah, my forehead it's just like a lot darker. Maybe just sun just hits there more. So because it is darker, sometimes I go in with, I have also this foundation in like one shade darker, so I'll just go, I'll just go up there and like blend that in so like it looks more natural. One time when this lady was doing my makeup, she like mixed foundation shades. So yeah, I'll just go in there and blend that in. Even though sometimes it honestly, I don't know, sometimes it makes it look worse, sometimes it works, but we'll see. I think as long as everything is blended, it looks okay. Okay, so next I just like to go in with this pressed powder. It's Maybelline Fit Me. I've had this probably for like 2 years. I think it still works, so yeah. Yeah, just go in and set the foundation. So next up we have eyebrows. What I like to do first is take this little eyebrow spoolie and just run through my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not in the best shape at the moment, but I'm kind of thinking about like letting them like kind of grow out a lot. I usually like get them done and make them look cute, but like I'm kind of, I don't know, I might be into the bushier look, maybe, perhaps. And then I just take this NYX tinted brow mascara, and I believe it's in the darkest shade, and I just run that through my brows. sometimes I do too much and it looks weird. But I try to do like, I try to not to be too heavy-handed on this. But like just enough to like give it more definition. Okay. After I do the brows, I take this one again and I run it through there just to like kind of spread out the product without getting more product on my eyebrows, if that makes sense. So yeah, there's the eyebrows. Next up is eyes. Okay, so basically I use 3 eyeliners. I use a felt tip one for a little wing, and then I use a colorful one for like the inner half of my lid, and then I use a lighter color metallic one for my waterline. It's kind of hard to do it on camera, so I'm just gonna like do it and then show you guys. Okay, so I'm back and I did my eye makeup, as you can see. I feel like, you know what this feels like right now? It feels like those pictures on Tumblr. It's like, you know those ones? Okay. So yeah, now that I got an up close view of my eye makeup and also my forehead, which is not a smooth texture, I'm insecure about that. Again, I use a felt tip liner for the little wing there, and I use a colorful like gel-ish consistency pencil liner, and then another just like metallic eyeliner for the waterline. And then for my eyelashes, obviously I just put on mascara. So yeah, mascara I use is from Wet n Wild. Honestly, I just got it because it was like $4 and I was like, that's cheap. I am a drugstore makeup person through and through. I don't have it in me or in my bank account to spend like $50 on makeup, so yeah. And now for the finishing touches of my makeup look, I do some blush. I remember when I thought blush was like so weird and like why would anyone want to make their cheeks pink? But yeah, now I kind of love it. This one I have, it's from this brand called Malibu Glitz, but I got it from AOA.com, which is like this $1 makeup website. So yeah, it's a really pretty like dusty rose color though, and I mean, I think if you're like of a darker complexion like me, I would highly recommend it. And that's another thing, you know, do little apples on your cheeks. That's another thing. I used to think that you couldn't like wear blush if you were, I might have put too much, little nose blush. I used to think that you couldn't like wear blush if you were like black, because I was like, oh, it won't show up, or like you have to like wear like a really dark red, but like you don't, like look, you still look cute. So yeah. Did not know that for a while. And then sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I'll go in with this highlighting palette I have from Maybelline. It's called Master Bronze, but I just take this color right here. This is literally the same brush I just used, and I just like put it on the tip and then, you know, do a little highlight action. Sometimes on the nose, why not? Sometimes here, yeah. And then to finish it all off, I take this NYX Matte Finish setting spray and spray it on my face. I don't know. I think it makes it stay for longer. It might just be a psychology thing. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before, unafraid to reference or not reference.
And when I say this is my everyday makeup, this is like the makeup I do for any event. It could just be going to class, or it could be going to the Oscars. I would probably still do this makeup. Although I would hope I had a makeup artist if I was going to the Oscars. Anyway, yeah, this is my everyday makeup routine. I will try to link all the products below, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you're inspired or you learned something new, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also definitely let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I'll totally make them. and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.